Now, let us understand the arithmetic operations in probability by using the same bag of balls, right? So, in the bag, we got 8 blue balls, 6 red balls, and 5 green balls, right? Great. Now, having said this, let us say we are picking one ball at random, right? So, when we pick one ball at random, what is the probability that the ball picked is a blue ball? What is the probability of blue ball? What is the probability of blue ball?
8 by 19.
8 upon 19, right? And then, similarly, what would be the probability of red ball?
That is 6 by 19.
6 by 19. And then what is the probability of green ball?
5 by 19.
5 upon 19. Wonderful. Now, let us see, when one ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that the ball drawn is either a red ball or a green ball, right? So, the probability of red or green is equals to probability of red plus probability of green. So, when you have or, we're talking about addition. You need to have plus, right? So, the probability of red or green is equals to probability of red plus probability of green, and that is 6 upon 19 plus 5 upon 19, which is 11 upon 19, right? Is that clear?
Yes.